This is little cat, Geeka. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Since Thanksgiving is officially over, we have decided to finally put up our Christmas decor. We actually were not gonna do it, but in the end, we thought it was best. We did. We started our day.
Can't be a Grinch.
That's true. Hasn't been an awful year for us, but it hasn't been the best year for us either, and for everybody. We started our day fairly early. We went to my mother-in-law's house to put up her Christmas tree and Christmas decor, and now we're here. We brought everything from storage and we are going to set up all our decor now. I wish we could have done it. We would have done it before Thanksgiving. Everybody looked like they were enjoying themselves putting up their Christmas decor, but we're here now and enjoy. Our theme since we moved into our house has been a winter forest vibe, I guess. We've collected a few ornaments along the way. This is my merman that Pete got me last year. Was it last year, babe?
I think the year before that. We moved in.
These are new. And these are new.
Snowballs.
Yeah, and
Princess Leia earmuffs.
These Princess Leia earmuffs are new. Those white ones and the gray ones. Everything else we got at
Target, Walmart.
the majority was from at home. Like 3 years ago, before we moved into our house, I knew what I wanted our Christmas theme to be. So I got everything the day right after Christmas, and it was on clearance. For the most of it was from there, but we've collected stuff here and there. This was given to me by my mom, and it's super cute little ornament. She gave this to me maybe like 10 years ago. It was before Leo was born, so 11 years ago. This one too. Let me see if we can focus on that one. There we go.
What's your favorite
cute.
one piece or like?
What would be mine?
Yeah.
Besides the merman, it would be this one. This would be my favorite of all time. Oh, we don't put a normal topper on it. Just to kind of complete our tree look, we put a nest at the very top. And I feel like it goes perfectly with the tree because of the theme itself.
You wanna hold the camera and you put it?
I want you to put it.
Okay.
So pick up the back.
I don't know how you're expecting to stand up if. Maybe you should just do it.
Okay. Ta-da! And to finish our tree, we have our winter forest tree skirt. We're probably gonna have to take this off later when we're not around because our cats are horrible. almost done with our kitchen. I say almost because I feel like there's something missing. I just don't know what it is.
The Christmas tree?
Probably. I really like these. I need to wash them because there's a little stain on there. These are new. These up here are new. And then there is this. Just simple little decor for our kitchen. Kind of brings in or ties in with our living room. So I really like that for sure. The table is officially ready. Say hi, Kika. This is little cat, Kika. She's a diva. She doesn't like anybody. Except me. No. So, I've had this runner for... Were we already together when I had this runner, babe?
30 years.
Like 20 years. No, I've had it for a very, very long time. Since I live by myself at my apartment. These trees tie up with pretty much the ones over there. And then we got these at, I want to say it was Hobby Lobby. And then this at Ross. And these we got at, these for sure are from Hobby Lobby. We had him first. And then we had him first. And then we were able to find the other one, which is that way. I didn't know whether to face them both this side or kind of one that way, one this way. I don't remember how we had it last year, but I kind of like the way it looks now. If I don't like it, then I can always change it later. And we got those at Ross. Ross has pretty good deals, has had pretty good deals before for Christmas. I haven't found anything, or we haven't found anything at all this year for any of the Christmas deals. I hope you guys liked our Christmas decor. Let me know, or let us know, what you guys think of our theme. Comment below if you have a theme at your house, or a specific theme at your house for any holiday, especially Christmas. Christmas is our favorite, or one of two favorite holidays besides Halloween. And I'm so glad we were actually able to put up our decor this year. Like I said in the beginning of our video, we weren't going to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to get a notification every time I upload a new video. For a shout out, please comment a Christmas tree down below. And I will see you guys in our next video. Bye, have a good one.